Today we are going to demonstrate how to make a Japanese-style pico de gallo salsa, including octopus. This dish is one of our favorite South American and Japanese cuisine fusion dishes. These are the ingredients we will be using for this dish today. For the roll, we will need a half a sheet of soy wrap, smoked salmon, and mango, as well as some sushi rice. For the octopus salsa, we will need yellow onion, tomatoes, octopus head, serrano peppers, cilantro, lime, yuzu juice, yuzu is a Japanese citrus, and yuzu pepper paste. Now we're going to show you how to make the taco salsa. First, let's start with the tomatoes and dice them.
Forza che ci vuole ad amarsi, forse l'ho perduta, non lo so, pure non ci riesce di sfuggire o abbandonarci, se ci penso un po' confondo, ti amo ancora un po'.
Then we'll dice the onion.
Il tuo sorriso dopo un litigio, dammi il tempo di capire tu chi sei. Non so che sento e mi tormento. In fondo sono questa, lo capisci, non ti basta, lascia stare, non pensarci più.
We'll add the diced onion to the bowl. We have 100 grams of taco head, we'll add the taco head to the salsa. We'll mince the cilantro. Or 5 grams of serrano pepper. We're going to mix everything up. We're going to add 2 teaspoons of yuzu pepper paste. And we're going to add 3 tablespoons of yuzu juice. But before we do this, we're going to shake the yuzu juice very well. We have the yuzu juice with the yuzu pepper paste in the bowl. We're going to mix this very well before adding it to the salsa. We want to continue to mix this until all the yuzu pepper paste is dissolved into the yuzu juice. If we're not careful to do this, we will have very spicy clumps in our salsa. Now we're going to add our yuzu juice and yuzu pepper paste mixture to the salsa. Then we want to mix this very well. And here we have our completed taco head salsa. For storage, we're going to move the salsa to a plastic container, cover it with plastic wrap, and then move it to the fridge.
Guardar bene tanto male, poi non siamo, anzi mi piace.